Namaste everyone, welcome to Hekau Oracle. I didn't actually realise how long it's been since I've done one of these until this morning. And when I looked, it's been a long time, so apologies for that if you were waiting for the next instalment. But I've actually been writing my book and quite a lot has come out of that. More updates on that coming soon. But in my meditation this morning, I got constriction in my throat and tension right across here, so high heart potentially and throat chakra. But what I heard was therapeutic medicine, which has alerted me to come and do this. So I am kind of in love with this new bowl that's just arrived in our world. It is a throat chakra bowl, so perfect for this. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to just channel this. I have no agenda other than what has been brought to me, the things I've just said. But I'm going to use this bowl. What I want you to do is just breathe. Close your eyes. Take a deep, deep breath in and exhale with a sigh. Make some sound. It feels important today. Yeah, so this is not just for me, I'm getting that right now. So if you're having problems speaking your truth or saying what needs to be said, this is probably for you. So as you breathe, just breathe into the throat, into the high heart. Ka, ka. Shunta dias, diasu, wentu, undoing anything that does not deserve a place there anymore. Shik, ha, shik, ha. Arantu, suruku, suruka, aku. Now bringing in the highest possible frequency. Shuntu dias, shunta, daus, ooh. Keep breathing. Arantu shik, mastery, the sovereign. Sheikh. Arun, aruntu. Diaria uka. Saras, sarais. Breathe through any resistance. Surrender to the letting go. Let it pass through. Arbiatu. Arbias. Tu. Aria. Sing your solo. I love that. If that had any effect on you and you'd love to share, I would love to hear it, because everyone's experience will be different. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I'd love to hear your comments. Namaste.